I'm going all in on phone cases. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Taurus phone cases for the Samsung Galaxy S20. They did send me these cases to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you like anything that you see in this video, the links to them will be in my video description below, so please go ahead, check them out, and do your shopping from there. You can see how they come packaged to you in a nice and simple retail box with excellent design, and I really like their branding and color scheme. We can look at it from the back side too, so we can learn more about the individual cases, but you can see the packaging is identical regardless of the model that you get. So now let's go ahead, let's open them up and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. Each case comes with a customer service contact card that you can use to activate your warranty or reach out to them if you ever have any questions. Next, you can see all the really nice cases that we unboxed. So we have 3 that fit the Galaxy S20 Ultra and 2 that fit the Galaxy S20 Plus. These are 6.9 inches with the screen size. These are 6.7 inches with the screen size. And then your Galaxy S20 is just 6.2 inches in screen size. Now let's go ahead, let's look at them in more detail. First up, we got the Torras Slim Fit in black, so we can appreciate all the design elements on this case. We can take our phone and we can insert it right in. It's a perfect fit. It's really flush around all the edges. We can look at it from all the different sides. We can see that the buttons work properly. Perfect precision cutouts at the top. Same with the other side. We can see all the ports at the bottom of the device too. Everything's exposed and where it should be. We can look at it from the back. Our camera cutout, perfect for all the sensors right there. Looks really cool, really nice. Like the way that they designed this case. All the little subtle lines and the extra attention to detail that they spent really pays dividends for this phone case. And it really is slim. I don't think it really adds any thickness to the device. Now let's try out another case. Now we have the Shockproof black case. We can see we have a semi-transparent black background and a solid black bumper. Let's take our device and let's snap it right into place. Everything fits great. It's precision crafted. Looks really nice. We can see it along this side to check that all the buttons still work. Everything operates properly. We can see it from the back too with our camera sensor cutout right there. Perfect, spot on. We can see it from the top as well. We can look at it from the other side. And then from the bottom side, we can see our ports and the cutouts. They're exactly exposed where they need to be. So that's a really nice case. It's super slim as well. I'm not sure it hardly adds any thickness to the device, but it looks cool with the two-toned black color. So that solid black bumper, that's rounded and really nice. And then we have that semi-transparent black back as well. So you can see the Samsung logo through the back. So again, it is semi-transparent and it looks great. Now we're on to the crystal clear blue case. You can see it's fully transparent and clear on the back with a nice blue shiny bumper accent. That's really eye-popping and eye-catching and very reflective. Let's go ahead, let's snap our phone into place to see the fit. And it fits perfectly, really nice. We can look at it from all the different sides as well. All the buttons work. We can see it from the top. Here's the other side. We can look at it from the bottom too to see if all the ports are exposed properly and where they should be, and they are. And then we can see it from the back too. So again, you can see the color of the phone. And then we have the blue accent still right around the camera module. So you can see all the cameras is perfectly cut out right there. And this case is really slim as well. Now we're looking at the crystal clear case for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. This is for your 6.7 inch devices. So it's see-through and transparent on all sides and angles. I want to point out that on this back side, it's smooth. But if you flip it over and on the back side for the phone, you can hear it's got a texture. So it's textured on this side, almost providing grip for you. Made out of really flexible silicone. It's got your precision cutouts for the camera module and your power port and your buttons on this side. Everything looks really nice, very lightweight, and also very slim. Now we're looking at the slim protective case in black for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. This is the 6.7-inch version of the 6.9-inch version that we looked at earlier in this video. It follows the exact same design with their excellent lines and attention to detail, so you can see their logo right there. We can look at it from this side so you can see the nice lines and details that they have. Same for the back. You can see the Taurus logo and branding right there. Really like this separate piece at the bottom. Looks really cool. Just adds a premium look and feel to it. We can see the camera cutout as well for your camera module and sensors. Here it is from the top. You have your one cutout. Here's your buttons on this side. And then we can look at it from the bottom side as well. Really a nice slim case to be able to use to protect your device. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.